How to fix WhatsApp waiting for this message issue on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve message loading problems and recover unreadable messages on WhatsApp. First, check that you have a stable internet connection via Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next, toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your network connection. Following that, open the WhatsApp application on your Android device. Now, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Moving forward, select Settings from the drop-down menu. Afterwards, tap on Storage and Data. In addition to that, tap on Manage Storage to check available space. Once there, delete unnecessary media to free up storage. Subsequently, go back to your device settings. Moreover, scroll down and tap on Apps. Afterwards, find and tap on WhatsApp in the app list. Then, tap on Storage and select Clear Cache. Within this section, make sure not to clear data, as it will delete chats. Alternatively, check your phone's date and time settings. Once in Settings, tap on General Management or System. Then, tap on Date and Time. Afterwards, enable Automatic Date and Time. Then, restart your Android device completely. Moreover, open Google Play Store and search for WhatsApp. Afterwards, check if an update is available and install it. Then, if the issue persists, ask the sender to resend the message. Within this section, you can also try backing up chats and reinstalling WhatsApp. Alternatively, the message may be permanently unreadable due to encryption issues. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix WhatsApp waiting for this message issue, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.